Ashley here. You can call me Teacher Ashley. Today I'm touching on Ai Tong School end of the examination for primary 3 students. So hopefully that my explanation can help you to solve most of the questions today. Okay, let us begin. Okay, the first question, what is the value of digit 6 in 8657? So we can ask yourself 6 is actually in the hundreds place, and we have hundreds here. So option 3 will be our answer, 600. Okay, next one. Which of the following is equivalent to 6 over 8? Equivalent means equal. Okay, so before we can do anything, let's reduce this to simplest form first. Fraction, normally we will try to reduce to simplest form, divide by 2 and see if we can get the answer. So it's 3 over 4. So if you can see, we got it. It's over here, 3/4. So answer is number 4. Next, which fraction is greater than half? We have to compare one by one. So let's do the first one. Half and 2/5. So I change my denominator. Is equals to 5 over 10. And this one I times 2 is 4 over 10. So it's smaller. Okay, next one. Half I change to same denominator is times 3. Oh, I get the same answer. So this is equivalent, so no. Next, 3, 7. So half. 7 and 2 is 14. So I'll get 7 over 14. And this one I times 2. 6 over 14. No, so the last one will be the answer. Let's double check, it's half. So I times 4. Is 4 over 8 and it's greater. So answer is number 4. Next, Junlong spent 150 minutes reading a storybook. I need to change it in hours and minutes. So as we can know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. And I already have 150 minutes. So I can minus 60, which is equals to 90 minutes. And this one is actually 1 hour. So 90 minutes, I can minus another 1 hour, which equals to 30 minutes. And this one is 1 more hour. So actually total is 2 hours. And my remaining is 30 minutes. This is my remaining. So answer number 2. Okay, next. City, travel 2,400 meters from home to the swimming complex. So which of the following is equal to the distance? 2,400 meters. So we ask ourselves 1 kilometer is actually 1,000 meters. So I have 2,004 means it's 2 kilometers. And then I'm left with 400 meters. which is number 3. Next, Raja has $550. Okay, $450, so it's 40 times $50 is equals to 200. And she got 6 $10, so 6 times $10 equals to $60. And got 5 $5, so 5 times $5, $25. So total, will be 200 plus 60 plus 25 equals to 285, which is answer number 2. Okay, next. Reagan bought some candy. He ate 4 candy and packed the rest of the candies equally into 8 jars. 1 jar is actually 56. So I can find 8 jars first. Eight jar is 56 times 8. Oopsie. Let me change 56 times 8. Equals to 448. And then he ate 4 himself. So 448 you must plus back because they want to find at first. Equals to 452. Number 2. Next, study the marked angles. Obtuse angle, which is more than 90 degrees. So if you can see, this is a 90 degree. And this is acute angle. For my B. So my B is out. Next, my C is an acute angle also. My D also an acute because it's less than 90. And my A will be the correct option. Next, what is the mass of the grapes on the weighing machine? Weighing scale. So if you can see, you have to ask yourself from 0 to 1. 1 line stands for how much? So let's double check. 1 kg is 1000 grams, so it's 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 7, 8, 9, and 1000. So 1 line stands for 100, and it's over here. So it's 1600. Number 10, Kate reached the playground at the time shown on the clock. So the time shown is 3:50 p.m. So she stayed at the playground for 1 hour and 25 minutes. What time she leave? So we can draw a timeline. Start at 3:50. And 1 hour will be 4:50. And another 25 minutes. Let's break a bit. 10 minutes. It will be 5 p.m. And another 15 minutes. It will be 5:15. Okay, so answer is number 3. Next, a figure here shows some straight lines on the grid. So which one is true? Okay, let's move one by one. It mentions that AH is parallel to FE. Yes, you can see the line don't meet even if I extend all the way. So this is correct. But we will double check again the rest. AB is parallel to DE. No, if you can see DE is slanted, so it's not parallel. Next, CD is perpendicular to HG. No, they are parallel rather than perpendicular. Perpendicular must be 90 degree. Last one is BC is perpendicular to AB. No. Okay, so answer is number 1. Let's move on. Walter bought 7 pens at 1.20 each, gave the cashier $10. How much change would he get? So 120 times 7. Let's do the working. 0, 14 carry 1, $8.40. And you need to find the change. Please remember to put your decimal place. So 0, 0, and you need to borrow from your neighbor. So it's 6, $1.60. Next, number 13 graph. The bar graph here shows the amount of money spent by the students at the school canteen. How many students spend less than $5? So less than 5 is $4, $3, $2, and $1. So from here you can see that $4 is 7 students, $3 is 8, $2 is 12, and $1 is 10. So you can add them. 12 plus 10 plus 7 plus 8 equal 37. Next one. Okay, number 14. Gary pour a can of green tea into the beaker. So it's asking for the volume of 5 cans. So 1 can, if you can see, is until here. So this is 400, 300, and this is 250. Although the line is not really very clear. Okay, so 1 can is 250. So 5 cans will be 250 times 5, which will give you 1,250. So answer number 3. Next, Aiden went to buy some food. He spent less than $5. Which 2 items did he buy? Less than $5. Okay, so there are a few combinations here. Let's take the combination of the first one, French fries plus orange, and see if we can get. So number 1 is $3.80 plus 280. French fry plus orange, sorry. So it's 280 plus 140. is $4.20. Second is French fries and ice cream, $2.80 plus $2.50. It's $5.30. Next one is burger, which is $3.80 plus orange juice, $1.40. It's $5.20, and the last one is burger again plus ice cream. It's $6.30. So from the option here, you can see that number 1 will be the correct answer because it's only $4.20, less than $5. Okay, next one. Okay, here study the pattern. If you can see, is 8,624 and it become 8,524. So you can find the difference by taking the bigger number minus the smaller number, and you will get 100. So means every time you move, you minus 100. So this one also minus 100. And the answer you will get is 8424. Okay, next one. I want the smallest 4-digit number. So 4-digit, 0 can never come first. So, and it's the smallest, so I have to put in as the second one. And there are 3 digits left. 4 is the smallest, so I can put 4, followed by 6 and 7. Next, arrange the fraction beginning with the smallest. Before I can do anything, I need to change to the same denominator. So denominator 12, 8 and 2. So 12 times table we have 24. And then 8 times table we have 24. Okay, and 2 times table, yes, 2 times 12 also give you 24. So let's make them the 24. So this one times 2, this one times 3, and this one times 12. So become 14 over 24. 9 over 24 and 12 over 24. So the smallest is 3/8, followed by half and 7 over 12. Okay, next one. What is the value of 7 groups of 9? I got 7 groups. Each one is 9. So it's 7 times 9 equals to 63. Next, what plus 532 equals to 1,000? So we can take 1,000 minus 532. You borrow, and you borrow is 478. Next, Jane wants to buy the toy shown below, which is $2.20. So how many of it must she cross out to pay for it? So we take the bigger number first. 50 cents plus 50 cents is $1, and another 50 cents. So now it's $1.50, and I cross another 20 cents, so it's $1.70. Another 20 cents, $1.90. I can cross a 10 cents, $2, I need 20 cents, so I cross this. Okay. Next. This is a figure has 12 identical squares. What is the fraction that is shaded? So numerator and denominator. Denominator is always the total number of squares, which is 12 here. And the numerator is always the one that the question one, which is shaded. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But they want in simplest form, so I divided by 2, divided by 2, equals to 4 over 6. I can still divide, so 4 over 6, divide by 2 again, equals to 2/3. Next, find the value of half plus 3/10. So before I plus, I need to change to the same denominator, which is 10. So now I can take 5. Oh, sorry, let me. Over 10 plus 3 over 10. But please remember, fraction always in simplest form, so I divide by 2. Equals to 4/5. Next, the difference between two numbers is 50. The smallest number is 574. So this is a small number, means this is a big number. And since their difference is 50, so I'll take 274 plus 50 because it's a bigger number. Answer is 324. Next, Ahmad and Roland score the following point in the shooting game. How many more points did Ahmad score than Roland? Wow, Ahmad scored 4,506, but Roland only 223. So since Ahmad is small, so we're going to find how much more. And we'll find the difference. Let's do a short working. Let me align it. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 2, 8, 3. Answer. Next. Alif has 329 stickers. Li Ling has 3 times of Alif. So you draw a model. Li Ling is 3 units. Alif is only 1. And he has 329. So Li Ling will be 329 times 3. Answer 987. Okay. Next, Janice baked 157 muffins. She packed them into boxes of 6. Boxes of 6 means one box inside there's 6. How many muffins were left unpacked? So we can find the number of boxes by taking 157 divided by 6. So it's 0. And this is 2. 36. 36, 1. So 1 is the remainder. How many muffins left unpacked? 1. Okay, next one. A delivery man delivered 380 parcels in 2 days. First day is 209, so finding the second day. First day, 209. Second day, maybe shorter a bit. Total, 380. So we can take 380 minus 209. Answer, 171. Okay, next one. Farmer Joe placed some identical scarecrow along a path. It is 100 meters, and each distance between these two scarecrows is actually 2 meters. So I can find how many 2 meters are there by taking hundred divided by 2 equals to 50. Okay, so how many scarecrows are there? Means in between, I have 50 scarecrows. In between means I start from here, between. But I didn't include my first one. So now I must take 50 plus 1 equals to 51. Answer, 51. Next, a store was having a promotion for the curry puff. Every 4 curry puff I buy, 1 was given free. Wow. And then Joe paid 20 curry puff and received some free ones. So how many curry puff did she receive? So altogether she bought 20 curry puff. So we know that we buy 4, we can get 1 free. Since I buy 20, I can divide by 4 to find 5 is actually my number of groups. Okay, and then since I know I have 5 groups of 4, and every group of 4 I will get 1, so 5 times 1 equals 5. I'll get 5 free curry puff. Next is problem sums now. Uncle Tan sold 3,125 apples. He sold 763 more apples than oranges. So I can draw my apple and then my oranges. Since it's small, so my apple is longer. This is apple, this is orange, and this is 763. Total is 3125. So I want to find my orange. Orange is shorter. Shorter means I need to take a minus. So orange is 3125 minus 763 equals to 2,362. I have my A already. And then if I want to find total, apple and oranges will be 2,362 plus 3,125. Okay, it will be 5,487. Okay, next. Time, Bala left his house at 10:40 to go to the library, and then he took 15 minutes to walk to the library. So what time did he reach? You can draw a short timeline. 10:40, 15 minutes. So it will be 10:55 a.m. So my A is done. Okay, B, he left the library at 1:30. How long did he spend there? So he reached at 10:55. So let's draw a long one. And then he left at 1:30. So let's do 1 hour. 11:55. One more hour. 12:55. Oh, we are close. Let's have a 5-minute, which is 1 p.m. Oh, this p.m. 1 p.m. And here is 30 minutes. Okay, so total will be 1 hour plus 1 hour plus 5 minutes plus 30 minutes equals to 2 hours and 35 minutes. 2 hours, 35 minutes. Okay, graph now. The bar graph here shows the number of students who went to the school playground from Monday to Friday. But Friday was smeared. Okay, so I cannot see from the graph. So let's look at the question here. He's asking how many students went on Tuesday. Okay, so Tuesday is here. So it's 20, 25, 30. My A is done, is 25. Okay, so from Wednesday to Friday is 225. So I can find Friday by finding my Wednesday first. Wednesday is 50. Thursday is 80. Okay, so let's find our Friday. Our Friday is 225 minus 50 minus 80, which is 95. Okay. Okay, next. The mass of a box and 2 packets of cookie is 1,510. The mass of 1 packet of cookie is 680. Okay, so let's draw a box. And then let's draw two packets of cookie. This is my cookie, this is my box. Okay, so my cookie is 680 for 1. So I can find something now. I can find 2 packets of cookie by taking 680 times 2, which is 1,360. And I can find my box now, because my box with cookies is 1,510. It's 150 grams. Next, a bakery sold some donuts and cupcakes. One donut is $2. one cupcake is $3. So he spent a total of 180 buying equal number of donuts and cupcakes. So meaning equal. And they're asking how to find one donut and one cupcake. So one donut plus one cupcake is actually equals to $2 plus $3 equals to $5. So A is done. We can know that one group is actually equals to $5. And I have $180. I can find the number of groups here, which is 180 divided by 5, you will have 36 groups. And then we know that one group, there is actually one donut plus one cupcake, which is 2 items. So we have 36 groups. It will be 36 times 2 equals to 72. Okay, 72 here, and here is $5. Okay, next, Gavin. Gavin collected 4 times as many picture cards as Ray. Let's draw Gavin. One, two, three, 4. This is G. And Ray is 1. This is Ray. Ray collected 144 less picture card. So if you can see from here to here is 144. Okay, all these are 1 unit. So now we can solve now. Three units is equals to 144. 1 unit is actually 144 divided by 3 equals to 48. So Ray is 48, and they want altogether is 4 units. You can take 48 times 4 equals to 192. Okay, so this is 48 and this is 192. Sorry, I made a mistake. It's actually 5 units. Give me a moment. Let me erase this. I only find my Gavin. Okay, so let's move on. It's okay. I will take 192 plus my Ray, which is 48, equals to 240. Okay, so total picture 240. Oh, finally it's the end of the paper. I hope that my explanation helps you to have a better understanding on how the questions are solved. So hope to see you again. Thank you.